Hi friends, it's Claire from ScrappyNerdUK and I have an unboxing video for you. So I am on the Quirky Kits design team and this is an extra special box for this month. So I've gone ahead and opened the box already, but I will do the full unboxing with you. So ordinarily the kit is a mixture of different suppliers, a lot of American crafts, but this month, oh, those are some extras. This month we have a super duper kit that has been designed by Quirky Kits. So these are exclusive papers and embellishments. So let's get this. Oh, this is taped to the outside. Let's pull this out. Right, packaging out of the way. And I shall read my notes afterwards. So these have been designed by Leo, who runs and oh no, my alpha's come off. There we go, I'll stick it back on. Who runs and owns the Kit Club. So we'll have a look what papers we've got in this month. So as usual, there are some sheets of white cardstock, and then these are all the papers that she has designed and had printed. So first of all, we have this one. So we have a lovely rainbow with a craft background. Oh, they're double-sided as well. Awesome. Oh, got cut files going everywhere. And then on the back is like another craft with this really pretty floral pattern. So there's that one. I'm going to lay these out as I go through them. And then next we have, again, there's a lot of florals in this, which I love. These floral wreaths around this camera design. And I love a black and white stripe, so I'll probably use that side. And then we have this paper here, which has all of these rainbows and florals on. I love this paper. Or a pink and orangey stripe on the back. I think it's got to be the rainbow for me. Then we have this paper here, which is some old style cameras in colours that the whole kit matches. So there's that side, and on the reverse we have this mustardy, not quite mustardy yellow, with this arrow pattern, if that's what you want to call it. I'm torn between those two sides. I'll probably use that. I've been using a fair bit of yellow recently, so I'm probably going to go with that one. And then we have a blue on blue polka dot, and on the reverse we have these little yellow flowers with pink leaves, and I think I might go with the blue on that. And then we have this paper here, which is rainbows and butterflies, and that's beautiful as well. And on the reverse we have this corally colour with some teal, blue and orange diamonds. It's probably going to be that one because of the rainbows. And then finally we have this, I think it's a navy floral wreath with a flower in the middle. And on the reverse we have this blue check, and I probably would use this side. And that works lovely with the Nouveau drops. So these Nouveau drops are in berry blue, a lovely blue colour. And then we have some cut files. So we have the word, if I can get this sorted, we have the word home. And we also have the inner parts to use also, so those will come in handy. And then we have the word snapshot, and then we also have a Polaroid camera. We have some rickrack ribbon in this mint colour that matches this paper here. And then we have this die cut pack that has, as I said, all of this has been designed by Leo. So I'm going to get this out and have a look through. Okay, so we have couple of frames. We have butterflies, there are florals. Oh, there's that rainbow that's in that paper. Some more florals. The word thank you. A plus design, another rainbow, of course. And then there's there's a couple of hearts. Camera with the word selfie. Love always. Staying home, perfect for what we're going through at the moment. Then we have, okay, I understand. So we've got XOXO to use. And then we have an arrow and a little paw print, another floral, another heart, and there's some more yellow florals, and I think they match one of the papers. A banner, and then another circle die cut that says smile and a camera. And then in this pack we have some more bits and pieces. So we've got lots of labels, which I love. Some journaling spots. These are little file folders. How cute is that? I love that. We've got a few tabs, some more frames, and then another little label in a pattern paper, more frames, heart, another journaling spot, a couple of fishtail banners, staying home. Oh, a bigger one of these. I love these, and I'm sure I could use this as a template and make some more of these as well, because I just think these are the cutest little things. And you could probably, you could probably put these back to back and make like a little mini album. So just some ideas there as to what I could do. And then we have the alphas. So these are like a wood grainy colour, so the same as the pattern papers, and with a black type. And then there's a mixture of upper and lowercase. And then my favourite to use, which is the navy with a white font, and these are all uppercase. And I'm really pleased to see there's no numbers on there. And then finally we have a sticker sheet. So this is mixed sticker sheet. So there's hearts, stars, and a whole load of little sentiment words. How are you? Remember the good times. Wish I could be there. View from my window. Zoom party. The biggest smile. My desk today. At the park. Quiz night. Stay strong. I could use all of these over and over again. Zoom party. View from my window. Quiz night. We're doing so many of those at the moment. So this is the exclusive kit that has been designed and produced by Quirky Kits themselves. I don't know if there's any kits left, but I will leave the link to the shop in the description box down below if you want to go and check out Quirky Kits. And thank you very much for tuning in and watching my little unboxing, and I can't wait to dig in and start using these things. So I will see you all next time. Bye.